As you know, coronavirus got us all locked down. So basically, I wanted to take a look at the new CT4, but as you know, dealerships pretty much are closed now. Not only are dealerships closed, but the factories are closed. So, as you know, this is a CT5 or a XT. No, this is a CT5. I can tell because of that where the navigation system is. This is a 2020 CT5. It's got the tan interior or cashmere or whatever they call it, the lighter color cream. The new Escalade is coming. So far, all I've really seen out of the new Escalade is that it has the that really wide LCD dash. A lot of it's a damn shame. GM, because of the coronavirus, I haven't seen a single Corvette C8 on the road, and I haven't even seen any new Cadillacs on the road. Because the problem is, it's like they can't sell anything right now. It's like the dealership. I've seen one CT5, maybe two, but that's about it. So I think this is it right here. I believe this is it. They said they had one white one. This is the, what is this? CT4 2020. This is a 2020 CT4. 350T. What the hell does that mean? I have to say, this looks bigger than the old ATS. It looks bigger. In fact, this thing almost looks as big as a CTS would look. I think this is the only one they have. And I think it's like brand new. Yeah, it looks good. It's exactly what you expect. It's basically XT4 parts put into a Cadillac ATS. It's like it's got like the new shift column and all that. It's a good looking car. But see, Cadillac, all their cars are basically they have like basically the same interior. It's just that they're nice. I mean, they're nice, but because they don't give you these crazy power options, it's like, it's nice, but it's just it's just what it is. I mean, the ATS-V was really cool, so hopefully there'll be a CTS-V that's just as fast.